This is a story about a man and his polished shoe. So there is a guy called Robin. He was a cluster manager of a fashion apparels brand. Robin was very much punctual and obedient about his work. But one thing he never used to do himself, that was he never used to polish his shoe by his own. So whenever he used to wear a polished shoe, he used to go to a local shop to get it polished and he wear it. Suddenly what happened, Robin got a transfer from a non-metro, from metro city to non-metro city, where he never found any polished shoe stand near to his residence. So what he used to do is, sometimes he used to go to a shopping mall where he could find a footwear showroom. He used to buy a pair of shoe or socks and to get his shoe polish done from there. Suddenly what Robin got a call from the head office for a corporate meeting for 7 days. So he thought of to polish 2 pair of shoes from that mall itself where the shoe showroom are there. So one day he went to that mall to polish his shoe, and he found that shoe stand where he used to get polished, that was completely closed. So he was waiting for a while. He thought of that it will open soon. After waiting 10 minutes, he found that that's not opened yet. So he asked an employee what time is going to open this polished shoe stand so that he can get his shoe polished. The employee said that the person who does it, he is nearby, he'll open it right now. So what he does, he thought of to wait for 10 minutes, and within that span of time he went to the showroom and he bought a pair of shoe again. While he came back after 10 minutes, he found that shoe stand still not open. He was quite disappointed and he approached to a manager and asked by what time that guy going to come and open the shoe stand, because he want to polish his shoe. The manager said the person who is supposed to turn in today, he has not turned in, so there won't be possible to polish his shoes. And then immediately manager went back to another customer to attend. Robin was very much furious. He was too much annoyed and he thought, on a very urgent day when he need to polish his shoe, there is no one to polish his shoe, and the manager who was there, he has not given a respect completely to that person. So Robin was too much furious and he was ready to lodge a complaint against the manager. But after some time he paused back and he thought not to complain. Then he decided to get back to his home, because there is no use of waiting for a longer time inside this store. So while he was driving back to his home, he thought there was a shop. Once Robin bought a pair of shoe for an occasion, he thought of to approach that person inside this store so that he can help him out. So once he went to that shop where he bought a pair of shoe for an occasion, the person said that he is not able to do it, but he can guide to our nearest shop where a person sit in the roadside and he does all this. So Robin again listened to that person and went to that another shop where a guy who sits in the roadside and polishes his shoes. While Robin went to that shop, he found that there is no one, but there is a signage mentioned that he'll be back in 5 minutes. So the person who does it, he went somewhere and he came after 5 minutes. While Robin approached that person to polish his shoes, the shopkeeper said that it can be done, but it will take some time, so he can drop his shoe and come after 1 hour. Robin did the same. So while Robin came back to that stand, he found the shoe is shining much superior than the one earlier he used to get it done from this mall. So Robin was too much impressed and he decided that he will keep on polishing shoes from the roadside person only. Through this incident, Robin had 4 very important principles in his life. The first principle, what he learned: get out of revenge mode immediately. Second principle, what he learned: always listen to yourself. Third principle, what he learned: every failure has a positive side. And the fourth principle, what he learned: small things has very big consequences. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you.